I'll just take one more minute of your time because I want to ask you a quick rapid fire question.
Please do.
So you'll have to be super quick.
Super quick.
Okay. Okay. A film of yours that you think should be remade today.
Johnny Gaddar.
Yes, absolutely. What's your wife's favorite film that you have done?
My wife's favorite film that I
Of
have
you,
done.
yes.
New York. I don't think
Why?
she's seen many.
Really?
I'm joking.
Okay. A latest Hindi film by a contemporary or a newer actor that you really liked.
In the recent times, oh my God, there are many of them. But I think Ranbir Kapoor in Animal, for sure.
Fantastic he was, yeah. A contemporary whose body of work you really admire.
Shahid Kapoor.
Okay. A role that you regret passing?
None of them, actually. Except for one film that I recently had the opportunity of doing, and I wish I had done it, was a film called Berlin.
Yeah.
With
Apar Shakti.
Apar and brilliant cast, very nicely made. It had its. I was offered Rahul's role and Atul Sabharwal. I mean, brilliant director again. I really hope that I get the opportunity of working with him. You know, a filmmaker that I really want to work with, and the casting director Mayank Bava. So the team was really nice. You know, Anupriya was also fantastic in the film. For some odd reason, at that point of time, because I was I had already started doing
This one.
like I had started prepping for it.
Okay.
I had to age down a little, and for that I had to be a certain maturity and age up. So I was under, a training process of losing weight and aging down a little, so that I can at least match a certain believability of being a mentor to these fit kids and all of that. So while that was happening, Berlin came my way, and unfortunately I had to let go of it, not for any other reason. I was really wanting to do the film,
Okay.
but because things didn't align. But yeah, that's one film.
Okay, the last one. A film whose box office failure really made you upset.
So I wish, films like Jail, Madhur Bhandarkar's Jail worked, because that was pure piece of art. And that was a film that even now gets me a lot of recognition, a lot of conversation and talk. From a common man's point of view, to everybody appreciated that film a lot. I felt that, unfortunately, somewhere, we identify with films as, अरे बॉक्स ऑफिस पे चल गई तो अच्छी फिल्म है, वो गलत है. तो मेरी बहुत सारी ऐसी फिल्में हैं जो शायद बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, जॉनी गद्दार भी बॉक्स ऑफिस पे इतनी बड़ी हिट नहीं थी, बट उस फिल्म को बहुत सारा रिकग्निशन भी मिला. तो शायद अगर आप इवैल्यूएट कर रहे हैं सिर्फ बॉक्स ऑफिस के नंबर्स पे, तो मैं उम्मीद कर रहा था कि काफ़ी ऐसी जो मेरी पहली फिल्में जो थी, जिससे मैं अपना फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाह रहा था एज एन एक्टर, many of them, whether it was a Saath Khoon Maaf, a Jail, a Johnny Gaddar. These are films that today I'm seeing younger generation boast about, I've done something very different. My foundation is only of being different, of being doing different films. So to balance that, I've also very smartly bridged it with being a part of really big, I don't understand the terminology of, commercial films. But I've also been a part of that, only very strategically placing myself there, because if you're expecting me to be a part of a big film, then yes, come on, I'm a part of Prem Ratan Payo.
Yeah.
I'm a part of Golmaal. I'm a part of New York. I'm a part of Lafange Parinde. I'm so Saho in the south, Kathi in the south. So I have done that, but as an actor, then I still see myself going back, to do something that as an actor I know, हाँ यार ये करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो क्योंकि आप कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने आप को तो झूठ नहीं बोल सकते.
That's correct.
तो अगर मैं जॉनी गद्दार करूंगा तो मैं आधे के जरा करता हूँ. तो अगर मैंने न्यूयॉर्क की है तो फिर मैं जेल करूंगा. अगर साथ खून माफ कर रहा हूँ तो प्लेयर्स भी कर लिए मैंने. So I've always balanced in the same year. I've done it very consciously up until Bypass Road and and Saho releasing in the same year as well. And then, of course, after that, COVID hit and I took some time off. I was writing, producing. And now, I don't understand comebacks. But yeah, Hisab Barabar was again, a topical, relevant film. Now here you are with,
Hey,
music,
Junoon.
dance,
Yes.
and full glory. And the one coming up is again a roller coaster ride. So yeah,
Fabulous.
looking forward to that.
Yes, likewise. But thank you so much, Neil, for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Thank you so much.
And I really look forward to finishing Hai Junoon and everything else that you have to offer.
Looking forward.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Ji. Thank you.
Thank you.